In previous lessons, we talked about the Helix framework here and how you can be able to make changes and adjust any one of these. So at this point, you should have a very clear information or clear ways for you to make changes here. And we also looked at the back end of Page Builder. Even though we didn't go in a lot of details, that is because I have another course that goes extensively into all the extensions and how to use them, how to tweak them, how to move them around. So that's why I'm not going into a lot of details with this one. In this lesson, I want to focus now on the top menu and also on the footer. And you're probably wondering, how do you change this information at the bottom? And how do you change the menus? I get this question all the time. I just bought a template, I downloaded a template, and I'm stuck. I don't know how to change the menus and how to change the items on there. So let's go back to Page Builder. First of all the contents that you see on this page is on the SP Page Builder is right here. And this has a front end editing capability and it has a back end. So this is where I showed you how to make all the changes. If you remember back in the previous lesson, if you have to go back, you can always use that as a reference. But now I want to show you where all the menus are located.